Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jimbo, and today we're gonna change it up a little bit, and we're gonna be checking out this Shur Wonder-Wash concentrated powder for cars, trucks, and buses. Now, it's a car wash powder, which is interesting. I picked this up on a trip in Missouri from a flea market, and I just wanted to see if this old can of car wash powder will actually work. I tried to find a date on it and I couldn't find it, but the Shur Wonder-Wash company dates back to the 30s, so why don't we just say, I don't know, 60 plus years. So will a 60-year-old car wash powder still work? Will it foam? Let's check it out in this video. So I guess the first order of business is we have to actually get this can open, which it looks like previous people have tried to do, so I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to open it. So, and I'm also not very good with my hands either, as far as, oh, nice. Well, we got it open, boys. This video continues. It's like these little tiny flakes. And it definitely doesn't smell good. For the guy shooting, I used to do a sniffy sniff test. You could leave this all in. But I used to do a sniffy sniff test where I would smell it. So, but the flakes are like, I don't know, it's just so cool. I've never seen anything like it at all. It smells a little like chemically. I don't know if you guys can even smell that, but it doesn't smell awesome. But let's, it says to take a heaping scoop and put it in a bucket. So let's do that and see if it foams or lathers or all that fun stuff. So the directions, according to the back of the can, say to add a heaping tablespoon of the Shur Wash into a 3 to 5 gallon bucket. So that's what I have here. I don't have a tablespoon with me, but we'll just kind of gauge it. And a little bit more never hurt anyone either. So that right there would probably fill up a tablespoon. And let's get the water going and see if it foams. Oh boy. Unless it's just mixing with the water, it looks like it's gonna foam. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. It works. Are you kidding me? Who knows how long this crap has been sitting on someone's shelf in their garage, but look at that. Look at all that foam. Incredible. That is insane that it actually works. I cannot believe it. It works. I'm honestly like shocked that it actually works. I'm in shock that it works. Especially that well. That is incredible. All right, so we see that it foams incredibly in the bucket. Let's pull a car up, put it in the foam cannon, and see if it actually foams in a foam cannon and if it cleans the car. Let's do it right now. All right, so what did you think about that? Are you as surprised as I was that it not only foamed in the bucket, but then it also foamed in the foam cannon extremely well? I'd love to hear your thoughts, feelings, and emotions in the comments below. On your way down there, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button so you get first alerted of videos just like this one, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.